Hey, I'm Joe the Chiro, and in this video is me adjusting professional boxer and model Umar Sadiq. Chiropractors, we utilise so many different techniques and methods to examine the spine and figure out what adjustments we're going to make. I personally utilise a lot of manual muscle testing that gives me the ability to diagnose which parts of the spine, what segment, which direction we need to adjust to get that body part of the spine functional. So sports is a bit different to your everyday patient. With regards to an athlete, sometimes they haven't got any pain. Part of it is the preventative aspects and figuring out what isn't working before the problems come around, and the other part's performance. So the ability to get that extra reach in boxing. So if a muscle's not firing 100%, by doing it that way, they can then extend a little bit further on a jab or a left hook or whatever it may be. Hope you enjoy, and like and subscribe and comment.
I push down, you push up. Push. Left leg. Right there, push up. That's right leg again. And push up. Okay, lay on your side facing me this way. And relax. Straighten the bottom leg. Bend the top of the knee. Relax all of this. Yep. And back again. Okay. Hold this leg up. Nice and strong, push up. Good. Bring your thumb up. What's happened to your hand?
Oh, I put turmeric in it overnight.
Oh, nice. Stop me pulling down, you pull up. Turn your head to the left. Hold it here, stop me coming down, pull up. Good, relax. Find that helpful?
What, turn it to left?
No, chin wing.
Oh, right, yeah. It helps with inflammation.
And arm up. This nice and strong, come up. Good, relax. And how you been sparring?
Fantastic.
Pull up. Good. And hold it here, pull up. On top, pull up. Relax. Bring this on. Pull up. Good. What's going on with this O'Hara Davis? Stand up by the front. Left leg lifted up. Hold it there, push up. Good. Relax. Right leg lifted up. Hold it there, push up. Good. Pass this arm in. Thumb down. Lift it up slightly. Hold it there, push up. Good. Relax.
After you do that, you get pretty hard cheap. I was holding on to this.
Okay, let me do this right.
I didn't realise.
Hold it there, push up. Hold that arm there, push up. Yeah, big difference. Relax. Bring the arm up for me. Hold it there, push up. And relax. What do you think? Have you had any updates in the past day?
No. I keep checking my emails.
Relax both shoulders. Take a deep breath in and out. And take a seat for me. Face whichever way you fancy. Bring both these arms up for me. 90 degrees. Bend the knee, bend the elbows. Push up. Good. Bring the arms back here. Now, externally rotate. Bring them back as far as you can. And relax. Do you feel more or less movement in one side compared to the other?
It's hard to tell. You can see it, right?
Yeah. And relax.
Which side has more movement?
Right does, yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it here, make a fist. Push up. Good. Hold this arm here, push up. Good. Hold this arm here, push up. Alright, we come here, make a fist, turn the arm in. Stop you pulling this arm out. So,
Am I supposed to be able to do that?
yeah, so that's pec. Hold this arm there, make a fist. Bring the arm back. Just that posterior deltoid. Hold this arm here, make a fist, push up. Good. Now if you lay on your back formally, face the ceiling. This will be a bit tender.
No, because you said face the ceiling, I have to think about it.
Do you know why? Because I say to people lay on their back. See? Tender here at all? Or not too bad?
Not too bad.
What's on the agenda the rest of the day?
I'm going to eat immediately after this. Get an ice bath, sauna. Go home, ideally have a nap. And I've got sparring later. That full-time life. And also ideally get this contract over. And everything's fine in the contract. You know the try fast ones and what's
And then take a seat again. Bring the arm forwards, turn the arm in, stop it coming out. That's right. So this left arm, hold this here, push up, good, push up, push up, in. Lay on your side.
You see this, what you've done there to release it?
Yes.
From my son, man. To release it. How long does that last? Because like it feels like you release it now, obviously,
Yeah.
and allow you to do that. But then what's the stop of just tightening right back up?
It's not about that, it depends if you stress it again.
Right.
That's what I would say, it depends on the stresses. Bring the elbow towards me. And forwards. So sometimes things aren't, you overdo it, body doesn't react too well to it, you strained it, whatever, overworked it. Either make sure that it is firing correctly. As a result, depending if you strain it again, should hold until then.
Alright.
Well,
Ice bath should help, shouldn't it?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. My whole job is basically to try and bring equilibrium back to the body. Things that have not been firing correctly to get them to, things that have been overworked, try to relax them down and change some of the patterns that your body's created through.
Yeah, I feel this one.
Pardon?
I feel this one more. It's more tender than all the other places you take.
Take a seat. Bring both arms up. Good. Take a stand and throw some shots.